Okay, excuse me. Today we're going to be tackling this fuel cooler here. The seals on the end have gone. It's dripping coolant out. I've been trying to do this for the last week or so, but because the weather's been crap as per usual, I've left it while Sunday, so we're going to attempt it. So it's got some weird clamps on the end which we need to get off. But first, looks like two 10mm bolts there, so we'll take that off. There should be some underneath, but they've been taken off by a previous owner, haven't been put back on, so it's just those two there. So we'll get that freed off and it should come out a bit and give us access. I'm going to fix this in situ because I don't fancy taking off the fuel pressure pipe down there and disturbing all these fuel connections, so we'll just release it off this plate here and move it up a bit so we can get to it, and we'll take it from there. So just come out with your fingers now. There we go. One. Two. There we go. Right. Put there. Right, so I've moved this bottle up out the way to make it easier. Got that stupid clamp off. Basically, there we go, it pops out, and that's the offending seal there. You can see how flat that is, so I need to replace that on both sides. So what I might do is leave that how it is a minute and take the back one off, which can be a bit harder. Anyway, let's crack on. Right, so to pop that clamp there, see where that blue hose is, and you got that little tang sticking out. Just get a screwdriver in there and pop it, which is that little bit there. So you need like a little screwdriver like that. I can do it. I can do it with you filming at the same time. No, I'll have to come off camera a minute and do it. Right, that's both ends pulled off. What I might do is just take that clamp off there, just so I can pull this up a bit more and get some access. But you can see all the sludge in there, look. So what I might do is just get jet washer on that and clean that out before I put it back together. So where's the other end gone? Oh, there we go. So there's one. They just basically just pull off. Get some gloves on first though, because you end up scratching your hands to bits. It does take quite a bit of pulling. Just grab hold of that plate firmly, just give a good yank and it'll pop off. But it'll be a little bit harder to get in because the seals will be thicker, so just rub a bit of grease on the seals. Yeah, so that's where we're at the minute. So let's have a look at the kit. There's the kit. Got off eBay. The guy that's selling it said he's never had issues with these seals. I think it comes with a lifetime warranty, I think he said. And we get some new stainless steel worm drive clips instead of these, whatever these are. Plus they're a bit thicker anyway. So what we need to do next, put the seals on here on both sides, wash that cooler out, get all the crap out of it, and then push it all back together. So I'll try and set you up somewhere so you can see it in situ rather than coming off and on camera all the time. Right, I've got the seals on, but we're losing light now, so I might as well finish this off tomorrow. Right, time to jump back on this because there's bad weather forecast in the next few days. I want to get this done. So, I've got this back one pushed back on again. Don't forget to put your hose clamp on over this black cap before you push it in, and the same goes for this side. What a bad job to be honest. You've got to make sure you put a bit of grease on the O-ring so it goes in easier. So if I get me next clip, so I want this probably that way. So we slip that on now so that it's ready, and then we'll push that back into the cooler there. I need two hands for this, so give me a sec. Right, that is everything back together. New stainless hose clamps on. Bit of a faff to push them back in because it's got new seals, but managed it in the end. Alright, system's topped back up. So I'll get keys now, fire it up, and hopefully no more leaks. Right. Keys. It's been stood as this, so my guess is the battery's probably going to be flat. Been stood about 2 weeks, if not longer. Fired up. Took a while. see if there's any air bubbles. Right, I'll let it warm up and then check for more leaks. Right, it is the next day, obviously. It's snowing. Time to wrap this video up. I've had it running for half an hour, so it's nice and warm. Up to temperature. I've checked under there, there's no leaks, so I'm quite happy that this job is done. So the next video you're probably going to see, if I get time that is, and the weather's cleaned up, I'm going to be looking at this trailer and doing a few jobs on that. So for now, it's over and out from me, and we'll see you again in another one.